Weather Service in Lake Charles has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Lafayette Parish in south-central Louisiana, eastern Jefferson Davis Parish in southwestern Louisiana, Evangeline Parish in central Louisiana, Acadia Parish in southwestern Louisiana, northwestern Vermilion Parish in southwestern Louisiana, Avoyelles Parish in central Louisiana, northwestern St. Martin Parish in south-central Louisiana, St. Landry Parish in central Louisiana, Alton Parish in southwestern Louisiana, until 4:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 3:44 p.m. Central Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Fort Adams to the Flood to near Reeves, moving southeast at 35 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and nickel-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Lafayette, Opelousas, Crowley, Eunice, Jennings, Scott, Breaux Bridge, Rain, Oakdale, Cairngorm, Ville Platte, Church Point, Bunkie, Mamou, Welsh, Lake Arthur, Kinder, Simmonsport, Basile, and Oberlin. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Torrential rainfall is occurring with these storms, and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. The National Weather Service